So this is me arriving at the Westin Hotel in Pune in India. So this is, I think, hotel number 7 that I've stayed at, and it's really nice. It's in a good place. It was close to the airport, so only 15-20 minutes away, but also a really good part of the city, I'm guessing. So I was being told a little bit about it in the taxi. Anyway, this is a quick room review, so I just wanted to kind of show you around. This is the bed. It looks very nice. This is a lot of space on the floor. I'm going to do some yoga, I think, in the morning on there. A place to store clothes and the usual safe, laundry stuff, slippers, ironing board, which I definitely need when I'm like doing business travel, and somewhere to hang clothes up. So I do actually use these. This I think has more spacing if you need it, and drawers as well. Somewhere to put your luggage. I haven't actually gone through any of these, so nothing. So a lot of these kind of contain nothing. Oh, so some of the, I think this is like minibar kind of stuff. Yeah, so these are charged. This stuff's free. So you get water, all of your tea and coffee. Big TV. Catching up with some US sports on there. Desk. Always good. I'm going to do some emails and work. I've got some finance to catch up on. The view's pretty okay, I think. Oh, there's a bit of a building site out one side of the building. So that's obviously being developed. And this is kind of, oh, there's the, so you can just see on the left-hand side, like where the infinity pool and like outdoor area is. And this is Pune, so quite a big business capital, I think. This is really cute. I saw this just before. So they give you like fruit and like some little snacks, so that's quite nice. And I can just lie on there if I need to. Usual things, so like alarm clock, phones. They have phones all over, so they have a phone at the desk, they have a phone there, they've probably got one in the bathroom, and then we've got like the glass into the bathroom. There is a blind at the top that you can kind of pull down for a bit of privacy, and they usually, the buttons to control them are like somewhere here. So you've got master, ceiling, vestibule, standing light. So those are all of the kind of lights. I really like it when they do the sockets that are like any like country could use them. I think that's a really nice like touch, because sometimes you do forget your like adapters. Big mirror here, and then if you open the door into this bit, this is going inside of the bath, looking into the bedroom. Really nice tub, as always. I had a bath in one of these in the other hotels and it was great, so I might do the same again. A lovely sink. So all of your products that you might need, I don't always use them. I usually use my own shampoo and things like that, and I try not to like waste too much. Soap, this looks interesting. More water, just to keep you hydrated, and then your usual dental kits and different things there. Towels, big magnifying mirror, don't look in that too often. Hair dryer, which is always good because I've got long hair and it takes ages to dry, so I always look for that. In here is shower, nice big, really clean. It's kind of like a wet room style, so all of this is kind of floor that would just dry, I feel. Oh, scales again. They're trying to make me go on the scales all of the time. And then in here is the toilet, and there's your phone. There it is, just in case. you want to make a phone call when you're on the toilet. Yeah, so it's basically got everything. There's your robe, and they like leave you nice little messages. I've had like little letters each day as well, just to say like, welcome to this hotel, and we hope you're having a really nice stay. If you need anything, they're just very set up for kind of business travel. I have access to unlimited like internet for, I think it's like 4 devices or something, and executive lounge, the business center, that kind of thing. So if you get like the package, and I'm pretty sure it's only like 2,000 extra, that's in rupees, which isn't a huge amount, and it's definitely worth it. Then you get access to like places that you can do your emails, catch up on all of your business stuff. So yeah, really good hotel again. I'll check out the food probably later. I think I'm going to eat here tonight, and then also breakfast, and try and do a quick update or a blog post. But this was just the room tour. So this is the Westin in Pune.